I'm over here at Custom Enclosures. These guys are put me in the system in my old panel. I basically let them get all my trucks done and stuff whenever I get my system in. That's one thing I really don't care for, is putting the sound system in. And you know, I really don't do a really big system or anything, but I always let these guys do a system for me. But basically, this is what it's going in, and I'm looking forward to it. And wires and everything, and these guys always do a really good job of hiding wires and stuff. So I'm putting it in there. It's a Pioneer. Now I'm gonna show you his truck here in a few minutes. He got all kinds of speakers in that thing, man. That thing would blow. I mean, he got like reinforcement glass in there and everything. I don't think a panel's gonna need all that. But now I actually built that case. And put that in there as far as the center console. So let me walk in here real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys what we may get in here. Oh, excuse me. Let's go look at some speakers. See what type of speakers you guys think I should get in there. What about these babies? I don't know if I'm gonna get some 12s or some maybe 2 10s. Probably end up just getting 2 10s. If I get a box like that or something, just put it in the back. Nice, a lot of nice stuff up in here. Yeah, so basically I get back with you guys whenever we finish installing it. We do a walk around and let you guys hear that system. Scotty been teaching me how to put window tint on. I'll tell you what, it's more into it than what you think. I wish I had more glass on my truck. I would get some, but I don't got enough glass. What is that green hose there, Scotty? Huh? What is that green hose you got here?
That's a pressure tank.
What is it for?
It's got tint film solution in it.
Oh.
Spray the window down.
Oh, okay. I tell you what, it's more. I remember back in the day, we used to put tint on cars. I was telling them, and we just used to throw that mob on the inside and wish for the best. I mean, it's a whole procedure that goes into it. I mean, they always put it on the outside of the car first, and then they put it on the inside after they shrink it. So. Pretty good. So this is what we're going with, guys. 2 10s, and it's a pre-made box, but I will be taking off that carpet, and we're going to be putting Hypnotix speakers in those. I think they look pretty good. So let's go see what else we got outside. And he actually said I finally got power, so that's cool. That's good stuff. truck. So he said we got power, so now we're about to get it's an amp underneath my console that I built. Let's go to the other side. I think that console is gonna fit pretty good back here in the back. This is the amp. It's a 1500 amp. Going with Hypnotic 210s. That's more than enough for what I need and stuff, so I'm happy with it. Got the seat out here. So I got my amp underneath here for my speakers in front. I got speakers here. Got two speakers, one on this side and a speaker on that side. This is that 3D console that I built. And also I got a speaker back here in the back as well. And I put my switches here for my doors. So this is where I got the battery. There you go over here for the battery. Battery up there. So we're doing big things over here, guys. Big things over here. Always doing something. Trying to get it done. Need to wash my baby. Need to wash her. She's bad. She's sitting too low. I'm gonna have to bring her up though. Look at that. Got my tag finally yesterday. Says 53 panel. She's looking sweet. She's looking good. Got the big barn doors open back there. You can put that bucket on the ground back there, over there when you get ready. So we already hooked up the backup light already. Did you?
Once they go through the door, use a big finger lock there, and then lock it, and that will secure it to the door. Through the speaker hose. Before you put the speakers in, you go through the speaker.
Like, it's pretty much slides. It will slide over, yeah. The guys over at Customs Enclosures did an awesome job today. They just finished up with it, and this is the final work here. Yep, so I'm happy with the guys. They did a good job. Thanks Custom Enclosures here in Bristol, Virginia. Give a big shout out to Scotty. That's the owner, and his guys took care of me today. And just like everything else that's in the truck here, I will be rewrapping everything. I'll be wrapping it this color here and with this brown color there. I'll actually take everything out of here. I'll take these back out, and I'll take this carpet here that you see out, and I'll take this carpet off. I'll sand it down, and then I'll wrap it with that material. I'll probably start on that sometime next week. And actually, I'll show you guys that finished product whenever I get that done as well. We're gonna take a little tour of his truck. Man, you talking about some speakers. Woo! These things, man, just blow your mind away. It's crazy. All right, we're about to take a look at a real system. I mean, you got a new truck, didn't you? Because I remember you kept breaking the glass in the other one.
Yeah.
Have you had any problems with this one? This is crazy.
I can play it for you.
Yeah. Wow, golly. I mean, this is sick. I even got him in the doors, man. Look at this stuff. This is crazy. This is sick.
Now the bass ain't playing right now, but the vocals are playing, so we'll play the vocals.
Oh my goodness. He does all that.
I will oh, I go just so I'm feeling righteous. Yeah, I know that the truth is deceiving. We may die this evening, coughing, wheezing, bleeding. I am a
It's awesome, man. Just want to show you guys. This is what they do, man. It is awesome. Hey, Cigar Man, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.